Today, we are going to take this box of scraps and we are going to turn it into something useful and fun. This video is sponsored by Skillshare. I knew that I wanted to make something with scraps. So I got on Skillshare and I found a class about hand sewing. And Bernadette Banner is someone that I have watched on YouTube. I love her channel. I love her sense of humor. She has a cute guinea pig. So I started watching hand sewing. Well, upon further inspection, I did a search on fabric scraps. And this is where I found the one video that I was really interested in. Now, the video that I was interested in featured doing some hand quilting or hand sewing and also sewing with your machine. This class was given by Raya Sami. She's a quilter, and I took the class and was enthralled. So I am going to take what I learned in her class and share it with you. Skillshare is a wonderful platform that is for creatives by creatives. I have not found a subject that I can't find a class on, and all the classes are geared towards people who want to make things or organize. You can't go wrong with Skillshare. And if you're one of the first 500 people who clicks the link below, you will get a 1-month premium membership for free. So go out and try it. You'll like it. I am going to be working on this old Quilter's Cut and Press, which is by June Taylor. So I shouldn't have any problem with my pad underneath warping because it's got this plastic pad here. So I'm going to put that there. Going to put this here. So right now, while we've got it down, we should be able to measure how big it is. It looks like it's a little bigger than 18, so it's about 16 by 18. Now I'm assuming that this means that this is the side I'm supposed to iron on. I guess we will find out. I hope it really is. So I have my muslin. I'm gonna scoot this down. It seems kind of weird that this just is supposed to stick. And it says the glossy side. I can't tell which side is the glossy side. To me, they both look glossy. See, maybe that side's glossier. Let me get the instructions. All right, let's pull out these instructions. So this is two-sided adhesive for applique. All right, with glossy side of the contact sheet facing down, place it on the wrong side of the fabric. Now, we're not doing applique, so I actually want it to be just on whichever side because this is just the base of my scrap fabric that I'm building. Evenly iron entire contact sheet to affix the wrong side of fabric. You know what though? I think I need to put something on top of this in case this is the wrong side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put another piece of my muslin on top. So if it's the wrong side, maybe it will still adhere to this side and I'll be okay. All right, here we go. Now, I know in the past, when I have ironed on, okay, I was doing it the right way. You know what? I think I'm still going to use this though. I don't know if it's going to make it harder to pull off. I don't know. We'll see. So it is sticking to the sheet underneath, not the top that I thought I was supposed to iron. So it's hard to tell the iron, or hard to tell the glossy from the flat. Now previously, so you can see it is sticking. It's not sticking well, and that is probably because I need to press. So I have found in the past when I'm using fusibles that I need to press in one spot and not move around to warm up the glue so that it holds. I am going to be making a project with this new piece of fabric that I create. Do you all know what I'm going to make? Can you guess? I'm pretty excited about it, I got to say. All right, let's check. Okay, I think it's pretty well stuck. Okay, so there we go. Now we have our base. I think I'm going to let it cool off a little bit, and there will be time, because the next thing I need to do is bring out this box of fabric. These are my scraps. Now, I'm going to pull out some pieces that I would like to use. Here are some torn strips from a project that I worked on. I think that will get us started. Maybe cut a little bit of red, because you know that is my favorite color. Okay, let's see if we can peel this up. There. It's not sticky. All right, so we will place it here and hope that it sticks. Okay. Now, I do need a little mat. So like this piece of fabric is way wrinkly. So let's smooth this out. So let's start with a triangle in the middle and just work from there. So we can put this here. I'm going to overlap them a little bit because we are eventually going to be sewing them onto the muslin. Even though we've got this sticky, there's going to be overlap, and that's okay. I don't know about you, but I'm good with that. Cut this and put that there. Okay. It's not a mosaic masterpiece, but I like it. All right. I need to see if I can get it from my table to my mat. Put my mat back behind me. Hopefully All right, it survived. All right. Whoop. So I need to pull this. Let's see. There we go. Okay, those two pieces can go there. They cover everything up. Okay. And I'll pull out this piece of muslin again so I can use it to protect my iron. Well, let's see. All right. Now, I'm really not sure where the muslin is on the bottom of this, but let's give it a press and hopefully we'll have some fabric when this is all said and done. Look at that! It sticks! Yay! Now, of course, where I've overlapped the fabric, it is not going to stick. And that's okay, because that's why we're going to add decorative stitches. How fun is that going to be? Lots. Now, I don't think that I'm going to trim this down yet. I think I will wait until I'm done adding those decorative stitches. All right, let's break out the sewing machine, find some of those decorative stitches that we never use, and give them a try. This is my first machine that was my own. And this is what I used when I first started quilting. It was a QVC or HSN purchase, but this machine has gotten me through a lot. Now I have Metler silk finish thread, and it's got purple and orange and yellow. And then I have a Metler, same type of thread, and it's got more blues. So let's move this guy over for a second. So I'm going to do with this what I do when I'm doing a long arm or a quilt on the long arm. I'm going to just spread out the thread. I think this shows up more, so this is the one I'm going to use because I do want the decorative stitches to show up. Now, I don't know what kind of decorative stitches this thing has. Oh, it's got a picture of some. I have never used them, so this should be interesting. Let's just start in the middle. Let's see. So we've got, oh, I like this one. Okay, hit OK. I'm just going to go with whatever it says. All right, I'm going to put my foot down. I have this piece of fabric that needs to be trimmed down. Let's trim it down. All right. So here you can see the back and you can see all the different stitches. And I'm going to use the back to cut this down. And I'm just going to cut along the line or the edge of my backing. fabric. Okay, so here I have my own patchwork fabric, and if you want to see what I do with it, you'll have to tune in next time. Thank you so much for watching my channel. I know that you all have lots of different options to watch, so I hope that you enjoyed this little tutorial on how to make your own fabric. If you want to see what I do with this fabric, then make sure you subscribe so that you get a notification and you can watch the video where I turn this into something fun. I just wanted to have a couple public service announcements. There is going to be a retreat in the spring with the 3 quilt amigas. That would be Di from Sister Chicks, Tracy from the Sewing Channel, and myself. It is going to be in Hamilton, Missouri. Loads of fun. I cannot wait. I hope you all click the link in the description below and that you are able to join us. I just am looking forward to meeting everybody, having a week of fun, quilting, door prizes, food, just all the things that make life fun. I am also going to Ireland in September of next year. It will be the trip of a lifetime. I am looking forward to that as well. Big year next year. And I also have a link in the description below if you would like to join me and take a trip of your lifetime as well. Or maybe you've been to Ireland before and you just want to go back again. Have a great day, eat some chocolate, and be kind to everyone.